Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time, whatever world you are watching this video, guys. Again, it's in goals. Hope you're doing super well here. Gold, gold, gold. Where gold is going? Hello, gold. Where you going, my boy? Hello, gold. Okay. Let me analyze my rules. My small concept, free concept, small simple concept. Last month high, last month low, last month closing price. My three levels I mark it. All right. What do you see so far? Three things I could do. They break out, they pull back, they trend. But now they break back with a weak rejection. With the weak rejection, guys. They break out, they pull back, they break back. I mean, this is the breakout is the breakout is too soft. 1, 2. Okay, Al Brown. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Brown. 1, 1. Ah, phone receipt. Hai. Sir. Ah, Brown, give me 5 Brown, Riama. 5 Brown, man. Big pala pa Brown. Ah, nine. Try. Can you try 5 Brown? You still in motor shit. No problem. Give me 2 and 5 Brown tomorrow.
5 Brown tomorrow?
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of white here.
No, it's fine.
This white?
Yeah.
20, 40, 60.
Yeah.
60 white.
60, okay. You see.
Then,
Okay, one white tomorrow, one white.
one white.
Yeah. And 5 Brown.
10 white.
And 5 Brown.
And 5 brown. So, yeah, 60.
Okay. As you can see, guys, girls here. All right. Sorry, guys, I was busy with the order. All right. All right. All right. All right. As I say, they break out. They pull back, but now they break back with the weak rejection. Weak rejection. With a weak rejection. They break out, they pull back, and break back with a weak rejection. So they break out, they pull back with the weak rejection, guys and girls. All right. They break out, they pull back, they break out with a weak rejection. Okay. The weak rejection, all right. Okay. In this particular case, they break out, they pull back, but they now break back this level with the weak rejection, not body rejection, guys, not body candle. All right. That's gonna tell us telltale sign of market got short-term swing high, guys. Okay, short-time swing high, short-time swing high, and after monthly open range, for 3 days, what do we get here? What we call is here and 3 candles swing high. The first 3 candles of each month, first 3 candles of each month, it is called the swinger high. Swinger high. When we get the swinger highs and the swinger lows, the swinger highs and the swinger lows, we are smelling what? We are smelling when we get the swinger high and when we get the swinger low, we are smelling something nice. We are smelling what? We are smelling something nice. Like what? Change of state of delivery. There's something called change of state delivery. 1, 2, 3, need the 3 candles, alright? First 3 candles, day 1, day 2, day 3 of each month, of each week, of each day, we are smelling what you call change of state of delivery. After 3 candles of open range, day 1 open range, day 2, day 3 of the month, of each month, after the 3 days, we are smelling what? We are smelling what? Change of state of delivery. Everything is under the 3. Now, we get the 3 concepts, right? The 3 concepts is there, 3 concepts is here. So the market break out, they pull back, now they break back. We also see they break lower of change of the delivery low. The 3-day cycle low, which means the 3-day high is very strong. The 3-day high is very strong. So now the market just might be activate what I call here internal range liquidity. What's when we get that state of delivery? When we get 3 swing highs and swing lows. When we get 3 candles swing high, we already expecting what you call here change of state of delivery. It's delivery of what? Delivery of internal range liquidity, external range liquidity, internal range liquidity, external range liquidity. You see here, change in 3 candle open range swing highs of monthly open ranges, weekly open ranges, daily open ranges, season open ranges also. I don't want to go deep. Hey, you have to study for you. Hey, it's for paid members. Hey, not for you. Hey, but I will teach you monthly. I'm not going in H4 like that, and weekly and daily. No. That's for paid members, guys. Hey, I can't teach you everything for free. Hey, see what I'm, guys? You see what I'm trying to say? Everything is designed. Everything is designed, and this is not the public knowledge. It's not public knowledge. It takes me almost 3 years to master because I have to steal knowledge from stage back mouth and ICT mouth and add things together slowly by slowly and try to get back test forward test, back test forward test. See, it's 3 years work, guys, with a lot of patience. Almost my head now is not great. My head now is not great because of what? Of this shit. Because I have to back test, forward test, write down, I have to listen ICT, I have to listen stage back, I have to listen ICT, I have to listen stage back and write down things from their mouth and go to the chat, back test, forward test, back test. It's time. It is time, guys. You see? Yeah. Patience is the only thing that can take you forward in life, guys. Anything. Even if you are in a relationship, if you are in marriage, everything needs patience. Making money needs patience. Trading needs patience. Everything patient. No patience, sorry my boy, sorry my girl. You are not ready to live in this world nicely. As you can see, guys, this 3 days, day 1, day 2, every time we stage back, you say when the month is starting, and at the 3-day cycle, actually, when the monthly cycle, NFB week, it becomes like 4 days. See, so the fractal nature or state of delivery starting after 3 days. So guys can see. So you can expect after 3 days. So first 3 days of the new month, I make mistakes. To be honest, I don't like it. It's like Mondays of the week. I don't like it. Monday of each week, I don't like it. I make mistake. So I rather to stay away from Mondays. So every monthly, when the month is open, remember, first 3 days, try to stay away from the market because they are setting up swing highs and swing lows, and you don't know how they're sitting. Maybe they're sitting swing high for the whole month to go down, Maybe they sit in swing low for the whole month to go up. So don't try to be an expert, market genius. Follow the market, bro. Follow the market. The market is gonna tell you, I'm setting up this setup. I'm setting this up. So now the market setting up swing high here. So now the so far break a swing low here with a candle wick rejection. So maybe they might respect. Today they might around here like a strong beam bar here. Tomorrow they might retest this swing high again and retest and start selling. Because this is a swing high. It's very hard to break, guys. It's very hard to break. After breaking up this area, that is opening the door for the new all-time high. That's opening the door for new all-time high, guys. Will that possible for gold now? I don't think so. We get so far 2 weeks CO2 report is bearish. So they are closing longs, which means that they are adding shorts, but they are not displaying that they didn't tell we are adding shorts. A structure perspective, the market create a level of insight. So they have to create a structure. They have to create a structure this side. Then they have to break up and create higher high inside. That's gonna be inverted head and shoulder, guys. The bullish structure must form before they buy. You understand what I'm trying to say? The bullish structure must form before they buy. Then what's happening there? What's holding the market? This is swing high. But you don't know it's holding because you don't know the data. You don't know the data. That's a problem. You don't know this is swing high. This 3 candle is swing high. Why is swing high? Why is swing high? Each opening range market, opening range of the month, market create a swing high. Opening range of the week, market create a swing high, swing low of the week. Opening range of the day, market create a swing high and a swing low of the day. Each opening session, each session has Asian session has opening range. London session has opening range. New York session has opening range. Each opening range session has its own swing high and a swing low. Are you guys trying to understand what I'm saying? But I'm saying I'm not going deeper. I'm not going deeper, but I tell you the information. Go study your own. Free cash. It's my private property, guys. I can't share all my private property, but I share some stuff. Others, I give you information. You study for your own. Are you guys together? Just try to put the effort. Put the effort, my friend. Everything you can get from my mouth, but I give you the information until you understand that swing high, swing low information on open range information. You are not from 10% of the market genius. You are still retail trader, guys. You are still retail trader. So as you can see, the market broke this trend line. All right, this market broke the trend line, create swing high, swing low. So they need to consolidate around here in order to break up. So if you don't know that, how are you gonna wait the market today and tomorrow? How are you gonna wait the market, guys? You just go into the market. You need money, like me, like others. Then you place buy, you place sell. They see your stop loss. You don't know why they hitting your stop loss. Why they letting you lose? Why they confuse you? You don't know because you don't know what this data is telling you. See, and you're telling me you're expert in trading. No, please. Don't try to deceive yourself, guys. That's why I say here, guys, you must study. You must always study. Study. Try to look for more knowledge. All right. If you know a lot, try to study more. See, it's very important. You see, that was like last month. What do you see here? Like last month, this was a swing high for 3 candles, a swing high. First thing what they did, after 3 candles, they break a swing high. That's a telltale sign the order flow is now change of delivery is happening to bullish side. So when they create higher high, even when you understand this, I see terrorists they talk about. You will see. Try to go to YouTube and try to learn what they call here and SISD change of delivery. They tell you, but they don't have any reference. They don't have any reference, guys. The data they teach you is nice, but that data doesn't have any reference, so it's useless. I say it's useless. I say everything goes under the tree. of stage back, guys. When you understand the three concepts of stage back and import of ranges, ICT he knows, but he hide, man. You see, most of the time you say state of delivery after the decision is he hiding, but you know, I don't like when someone is hiding, man. Yeah. Trust. So now the market want maybe now instead of the last month they break a swinger high and create state of delivery for buy and retested the low. What happened here? That they go up heavily. Now instead of breaking high, they breaking swing low, and now they are consolidating inside the swing high and the swing low box. See, they are consolidating the inside swing high and swing low box. What they want to do? They might break up. They might coil in to break up. They might coil in to break up. I don't know. Do I know? No, I don't know. They might coil in to break up for like a semi triangle. Huh? Eh? It's not my problem. They might coil in for a semi triangle form to break up and give us new all-time high. See, they might consolidation to break back lower. Nobody knows what markets do. Nobody knows what market will do in the future. But you can know the market do that behavior. You see? You see what I mean? Let me say, if you are a husband, mostly especially husband that have that problem. Okay. If you every morning go out from the house and teach your wife to give her a hug or kiss you every morning, what happened? And before you go into work, if you forget one day, hey, you already know automatically in your mind there's a trouble who's waiting for you. Price action is like that. Because it's the nature of a market, guys. The nature is a nature. That's why the price action doesn't lie. Price action is like a scripture, it's like a Quran. But understanding the real price action, like swing high, swing lows, open ranges, 1, 2, 3 formula, change of delivery. The true price action is difficult because it's hidden. Nobody teaches, guys. So what many guys say, where you get this land? Go to the stage back platform when he explains the daily chart. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. He's hiding the things, but he counting 1, 2, 3 open ranges of the months. 1, 2, 3, and from there is his knowledge. I take that knowledge and I go to ICT and take change of delivery adding on top. So two knowledge, I'm adding things together, guys. See, he's not talking about change of delivery. He's not talking about market strategy. He has none. He's about this information. I take this information. I take the other information. I add together. I make my own. Free cash. That's how to be best trader, guys. The how to be best trader and ahead of all other traders, simple. Take the knowledge from ICT trader, from mentor. Take the knowledge from Stacy Back. Take the knowledge from Falcon. Take the knowledge from Raja Bank. Take the knowledge from anything. Then add things together. What's useful? Take what's useful from this mentor. Take what's useful from this mentor. Take what is useful from this mentor. Don't say, and the only thing is people are failing is what they say ICT is the best. They say Falcon is the best. They say nothing is the best. All these mentors, they work for the brokers. They hide the information. So now, until you are capable, until you are open for knowledge, you will not get the right way in knowledge, guys. You will never get a true direction in your life, guys. So you must be like a different person in your life, guys. You must be a different person. Say, this is mentor, right? Yes, good. Have a knowledge. Respect it. This other mentor have a knowledge. Respect it. Take what is useful from it. Take what's useful from that. And don't ever think you are qualified professional. No, 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 no. Even if you know small things, just say always, hey, I don't know nothing. Why? Because God, Almighty Lord, God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you know what he did? In a Prophet Musa time, I always talk about scriptures, guys. Most of the guys, they see, what's this guys talk? Learn the history. When they learn history and live the history. Leave this innovation history, guys. All right. Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, he say, I'm the most knowledgeable person in the world. People ask this time most. When they ask his time, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talk to him, saying, hey, you know nothing. Go together. Yes, more knowledge than you. Hey, you see? So don't ever think you know what you're doing. Hey, always think you're missing something, you're missing knowledge. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will always increase you, give you wisdom to understand more things. But the moment you think you are a knowledgeable person, is the moment you are failing. Because you are thinking you are all knowing. It's not like that. But only Allah is all knowing, nobody else. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Almighty Lord God, is all knowing. You are missing a lot of information. So always never think you are all knowing. You are not all knowing. Allah is all knowing. You see what I mean, guys? So try to be humble, try to study every time. Try to respect the different mentors, try to knowledgeable person. Always. You will keep growing, and keep studying, and keep it simple. Maida market beauty. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. So I'm not going, I say I'm not going deeper. I'm not going, but you see here, wiggle open range. Let me say here, mantle open range, that is there. Wiggle open range, the 3 canals is there. That can give you telltale sign of change of delivery. Daily open range, the 3 canals are there. That's gonna give you telltale sign of change of delivery. Okay. And season open range, the 3 canals are there. That give you telltale sign of what I call and change of state of delivery. There one.